Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm texturizing my daughter's hair with Just For Me. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, talk videos, hairstyle and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. Yeah, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So continue watching, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to be texturizing my daughter's hair. As you can see, the first step I'm going to use is the oil, which is called anti-breakage nourishing oil treatment. Yes, first what I'm going to do is to pour the oil on her hair. Yes, then after that we are going to mix Just For Me with the activator. We are going to add it and stir. Yeah, the oil treatment, you can as well pour it inside and stir everything together. Like I pour the half of it inside, then I pour a little on my daughter's hair. Yes, you know, these are kids, you have to be careful with things you use on their hair, so you have to stir it very well. Then now we are going to start, so stay tuned. Yeah, this came with a little stick. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using the stick. I'm just gonna be starting from down to texturize the hair. As you can see, the way I'm texturizing it right now, rubbing the Just For Me from down to up. Yeah, so guys, I'm only going to leave this on for 7 minutes, just for 7 minutes. Yes, I'm not gonna leave it for so long. Yeah, I'm almost done because I don't want the hair to be too relaxed, so I just want to texturize it. Yeah, this is the little stick I just mentioned, it came with it. I'm just using it to coat the front hair. Yes guys, stay tuned. Guys, why I'm using this chemical on my daughter's hair is just to manage the hair. Yes, to make the hair a little bit smooth. Yeah, we are going to leave this thing just for 7 minutes. Stay tuned for the other step. Yes guys, I'm just making sure that the product is in there on her hair. You can see how I'm massaging her hair very well to make sure the product is in very well. Yes guys, so right now we are going to rinse it out. Yes, as you can see, I'm just testing the water because the water is very hot. If you are not careful, it can burn you. So I'm just setting it to the warm water I want to use to wash her hair. So after washing this hair, I'm going to use the step 2. That is the shampoo for Just For Me to wash it out. Stay tuned guys. So we are rinsing this out. Yes, as you can see, I'm rinsing all the chemical out. Yeah guys, take note, if you are using this Just For Me and it's still turning pink, that means the chemical is not yet out. You have to rinse it out, wash it very well. Yes guys, so right now I am done with the chemical rinse out completely. So right now I'm adding the step 4, the conditioner. Yeah, I'm adding the conditioner on her hair. You can see how the hair is manageable. Yes, I'm loving this hair. Oh my gosh. So after applying this on, I left it on for 5 minutes. Yes, then after 5 minutes I'm gonna wash it out. Like as you can see, I'm rinsing it out right now. So guys, this is our final step. You can see the shampoo. I forgot to show it earlier when I was washing the hair. Now this is the final step. That is why I decided to show it now. So guys, now I'm just drying off the hair. Oh my god, I'm just loving this hair. That is the final step. You can see how the hair is smooth, soft. Oh my god. And you can see this cream, you can get it in Roseman. Yes, it's very nice for kids. I'll just apply it on her hair. And the cream is called Oil Repair Wonder Cream. Yes, you can get it in any Roseman around you. So guys, thank you for watching.
Yo.